Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making some sweet chili jerk wings. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
Now guys, the wings I'm doing today, they are frozen at the moment because your girl forgot to take them out of the freezer, but never mind. Just wanted to show you as well, if that happens to you, what I'm doing now, because I'm going to do these in the oven. Just preheat your oven. Now get your wings on a wired rack. Now on the rack, in the pan, I went in with some boiling hot water. Now what I'm going to do with these wings now is cover them with some foil paper. I'm going to put them in the oven for about 40 minutes. Now these wings were previously seasoned. I just seasoned them with some I love my Maggi chicken seasoning, and some jerk seasoning as well. Now after about 40 minutes sealed in the oven, now they should be fully thawed. Now I'm literally gonna go through now with my knife just to make sure my knife goes in, and if you have a thermometer, you can go ahead and use it, but this is shell style. we dip the knife in the chicken and we feel it. Now if it's not extremely cold, then you're nearly there. If it's still a bit cold, you can cover it and put it back for another 10 minutes. Now what I'm going to do now is remove the foil and put it back in the oven for about another 20 to 25 minutes, turning halfway through. Now whilst I've put these back inside the oven, I'm going to go ahead now and work on the sauce. Now to some melted butter, I'm going to go in with about 3 cloves of crushed garlic, and I'm gonna just let this saute for a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon of my mild jerk seasoning. I do like to use the mild one because I find that the hot is just really intense, and I'd prefer this one. I just find that it's just less heat and more flavor. Now to this I'm gonna add about half a cup of my sweet chili sauce. Now to this sauce, what I'm going to do is the juice that's gathered from the chicken, I'm just going to go ahead and pour some of that in there and just let this reduce. Now after that time, your sauce should be ready. Now once your wings are done, I'd say after about 25 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and just baste them in the sauce. I'll just put them in the pan just to get that sauce all over it. Now once I do this, I'm gonna put them back in the oven, crank the heat up a little bit just for about another 10 minutes, or if you can put it under the grill, or if you call it a broiler, whatever you call it, if you want to stick it under the grill for about another 5-10 minutes, go ahead. It will just give it just nice skin that's just not soggy. And after about 10 minutes back in the oven, your wings are ready. And there you have it guys, my sweet chili jerk wings cooked from frozen. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video guys. Bye.